Where'd you put yours? You be going down the street and the fucking you're sticking out like a sore thumb. The sheriff, fucking highway patrol's like, yep, that's the guy. I'm gonna get him. Yeah, that guy just went through a red light. What the fuck is wrong with people? You gotta wait. Look, it's gonna turn green now. Okay, this light is fucked up now. It never used to do all this crap. It gave the Scenic and Chestnut, the KC broke down. It's giving the arrow for the other side that there's no cars. It gave the arrow for the other light when there was no cars. Like, it's just timer. It's just time now. It's not censored.